The universe is vast beyond anything we've ever imagined, an endless expanse filled with mysteries that stretch our understanding and challenge even the brightest minds. For many people in the United States, especially those of us who have lived through decades of scientific progress, the cosmos has always been a source of wonder and curiosity. But recent discoveries from one of the most advanced tools ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope, have introduced new questions that are both fascinating and deeply unsettling. The James Webb Space Telescope, which cost around $10 billion to design, build, and launch, has been orbiting in space for over 2 years. In that time, it has already proven to be a groundbreaking instrument, far surpassing the capabilities of its predecessor, the Hubble telescope. While Hubble gave us breathtaking images of stars and galaxies, James Webb takes this to a whole new level by seeing deeper into space and capturing light in ways that were never possible before. Starting in July 2022, the telescope began focusing on very distant parts of the universe, observing light with extremely long wavelengths. Light that is redshifted, meaning it's stretched as it travels across the expanding universe. This allows us to see galaxies and cosmic events from billions of years ago, opening a window into the earliest chapters of the cosmos. What the James Webb Telescope has revealed is astonishing and, frankly, alarming. Scientists discovered that about 900 trillion stars seem to have disappeared from regions of space where we expected to find them. This isn't just a small puzzle, it's a massive cosmic mystery that defies explanation. Where did these stars go? Are they still there but hidden behind clouds of dust? Or could they have collapsed directly into black holes without exploding? In the typical supernova events we usually see, these are some of the possibilities being considered, but none fully satisfy the questions raised by these findings. Even more unsettling is a second possibility, that the universe itself might be undergoing a kind of disappearance, an accelerating process that could eventually make vast regions of space unreachable or even invisible to us. This idea brings new urgency to understanding how the universe is changing and what it means for our future. To put this in context, it's important to remember that nearly 100 years ago, scientists first discovered that the universe is expanding. Galaxies aren't moving through space in the way we might imagine, but rather the fabric of space itself is stretching, causing galaxies to move away from one another. This discovery changed how we think about everything, from the origin of the cosmos to its ultimate destiny. For many decades, this idea was seen as a steady, gradual expansion. However, about 20 years ago, a surprising twist was found. The expansion of the universe is not slowing down as expected. It's speeding up. This accelerated expansion is driven by a mysterious force called dark energy, which makes up roughly 68% of the entire universe. Dark matter, which we can't see directly but can measure through its gravitational effects, makes up about 27%, while the ordinary matter that makes up stars, planets, and people accounts for less than 5%. This new understanding has reshaped cosmology and poses deep questions about the future. Because the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, distant galaxies are moving away from us faster and faster. Some are receding so quickly that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, won't ever be able to catch up and reach us. For example, when we look at a star 100 light-years away, we're seeing it as it was 100 years ago. But when we look at a galaxy whose light has traveled for 100 million years, that galaxy is actually much farther away than the light travel time alone would suggest, because space itself has stretched during that time. This stretching of light, known as redshift, confirms that the universe is growing. The farther away the galaxy, the more its light has been stretched and shifted to longer, redder wavelengths. By measuring these shifts from various cosmic sources, scientists can reconstruct the history of the universe's expansion and understand its makeup in incredible detail. This knowledge has allowed physicists to apply Einstein's theory of general relativity to predict what might happen next. What they found is both awe-inspiring and sobering. Because dark energy dominates, galaxies that are not gravitationally bound to our own will eventually drift so far away that we will never see them again. They will move beyond what is called the cosmic horizon, where the expansion of space is so rapid that light from those galaxies will never reach us, no matter how long we wait or how fast we travel. Our observable universe, the part we can see, is about 46 billion light-years across today. But because of this ongoing expansion, only about 6% of the galaxies that currently exist are accessible to us. That means the vast majority, 94%, are already beyond our reach. This number is shrinking every second as more stars and galaxies become unreachable. Every moment that passes, somewhere between 20,000 and 60,000 stars cross that boundary, disappearing from our cosmic neighborhood forever. This fact is startling. It reminds us that our place in the universe is more fragile and fleeting than we might have imagined. For those of us who have seen decades of technological progress, from the moon landing to powerful space telescopes, it's a reminder that the window for exploring the cosmos beyond our local group of galaxies is closing. The local group, which includes the Milky Way, Andromeda, and about 60 smaller satellite galaxies, is our current cosmic neighborhood. Outside of this cluster, galaxies are drifting away too fast for us to ever reach. If humanity ever hopes to travel to or communicate with other groups of galaxies, we need to act quickly. The accelerated expansion means that each passing second takes away another opportunity to venture beyond what we currently know. Without new technology or breakthroughs in physics that allow faster-than-light travel or some other unknown method, our descendants might be forever confined to our local group. Over time, the light and signals we send to the wider universe will fade, and we will become isolated on a cosmic scale. This relentless expansion is a sobering reality, but it's also a powerful reminder of how precious our current moment is. We live at a unique time when we can still observe and study a large portion of the universe. The discoveries from the James Webb telescope and other scientific instruments give us incredible insights into the nature of everything around us, from the tiniest particles to the grand scale of galaxies. As we reflect on this, it's important to appreciate the wonder of it all. The universe, while vast and sometimes intimidating, is also a place of beauty and endless discovery. For those of us in our senior years, these findings serve as a powerful reminder that curiosity and exploration don't have to end. There's still so much to learn, so much to understand, and so much to appreciate in the cosmos we call home. In the end, the accelerated expansion of the universe shows us that change is the only constant, on scales both cosmic and personal. It encourages us to value the time we have, to cherish the knowledge we gain, and to continue looking up in wonder at the stars, knowing that each moment is a gift in an ever-expanding universe. As we reflect on all these incredible discoveries, it's clear that the universe is a place of endless wonder, full of mysteries that inspire us to keep learning and exploring. Whether you've followed space science your whole life or are just beginning to appreciate its vastness, now is the perfect time to stay curious and informed. If you enjoyed diving into these cosmic mysteries with me, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing the latest and most fascinating insights from the universe right to you. Thanks for watching, and here's to many more journeys through the stars together.